gator to your left. Right there, past the sign.
Yep.
Okay. Nope, he's going.
He's moving.
I'll rescue you too, buddy.
Right here. See the gator?
Oh yeah, is that a gator right there?
Right down there. See him?
Right there.
Yeah. Right over here. See him? And those birds are right there next to him.
Exactly.
Very cool. I'm recording it. Yep. So it's gonna be live pictures. Too far, didn't I? Let's see if I can't get up past this area here. If he'll stay put. There he is. Now we can get his head. Yeah. There it is.
Is that it?
Let me get up a little bit further so that way you can see it, Uncle Denny. Right there he is.
Right there. See? Over on the other side of the bank. See that black slimy looking thing?
Yeah.
Too big to be a lizard, too small to be a full-size gator?
Yeah.
Don't know what it is.
It's a gator.
It's a gator. So far, John has picked out all the gators. I saw the deer. What's that?
I said, I saw the light.
I saw the light.
See the great turds on the side of the bank.
That's correct. That's far out.
I can't see it. I can't hardly see it either. It looks like a black line.
I know.
But that's okay. I still know that's what it is. And so
It's kind of like, you know,
I know.
I'm not seeing things
Looks
the
like
way
a big old black turd to me, but you know.
I'm not seeing things the way I used to about a year ago.
I know. That's why we need to do this stuff now, then.
Just in case it all goes away.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is that section out. Yeah, that was a train. Those are egrets.
Oh, it's an egret. Yeah. That I can see very well. Yeah, they were sticking this, had egrets and there was,
Chop off up there.
egret, that looked like what was sticking its nose into the window when we went to McDonald's.
Are we boring you? Lily pads. Yes, sir. And they're about to bloom too. Look at that. That is a gator on the bank over there.
Boy, would I love to come through here when they're all blooming.
That'd be pretty, huh?
Gator. Really dark.
It's got suntan.
Right there?
Right across.
Look at that sandhill creek. Okay.
See that thing on the way?
Yeah.
That's gator.
seen something, might be a piece of wood, might be a gator. It was in the corner of the water up here. Right there, that big one. Look at the size of that thing.
My God.
Uncle Denny, you can't say that you didn't see this one.
Look at that one right there.
Oh. Wait a minute. Right there?
Yes, that's a gator. And you can't say you can't see him.
Yeah, that's true. Look at the size of it.
My gracious, look at
I'm
him.
seeing a real gator. Look at this. Take a picture,
He's so
Daddy.
big. I can't get past here.
You want me to open the door?
No.
That's Daddy right there.
Look at that. What's screwing me up is the darker windows.
Yeah.
Open the door.
Go ahead.
You
Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
From the outside, Uncle
On
Denny.
the outside, baby.
Yeah. Hold on to her.
I got her.
Wow. I gotta shed some water myself.
Got it? Whoa.
What?
The dog.
She's right here. I got her.
No, the honey.
Oh.
Yeah, honey's down there.
Come on. Get here. Come on. Come on. You gotta hold still, Denny.
I'm trying to stop honey from going out the door.
She's not going out. John's got her.
I got you. You're sneaking, ain't you? You're sneaking.
Well, you hit the horn, see if we can get them to move.
That was looking so blurry.
Oof, right in my face.
Honey, be careful.
Trying to get his attention.
Now, see, that big one is probably a decoy for the one that's on the bank right next to you, Uncle Denny.
Child support.
Did you get it?
Stay still.
Yeah, that's not gonna. But anyway, there's one. There he is. He's moving.
He's moving.
He's gonna come this way too.
I just took 60 photos.
Should I roll it?
No.
So did I. Per second.
This thing just, it was an animated GIF. This has been a long GIF.
That's a big one.
Now I'm doing 60 frames per second right now, so. Or no, I'm doing 30 frames per second.
Oh, that was pictures. 60 pictures
Yeah.
I just took. I could put them all together and make a movie.
You seen them all right, guys?
Yeah.
Want me to move forward so?
A little bit. You can if you want to. Look at that. How beautiful.
Look at him.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, do you shed your tail if I touch it? It's just.
Where's the phone? I want to take a picture of it with the phone.
Oops, sorry, dude. I was worried about her jumping.
Up on Facebook or something. Just watch in case it starts moving.
Don't throw any food out because he'll be over here.
Yeah, that's against law. Don't feed them and don't molest them.
Yeah.
Do you have crabs?
I was gonna say, don't forget some of them have crabs. Yeah. Just give her a push.
I thought I was just shoving her around. That would have been easy.
That's what I do with a ball.